Normal English vs Advanced English. She feels sad. She feels downcast. The task is easy. The task is effortless. He is busy. He is swamped. I am hungry. I am famished. This place is beautiful. This place is stunning. She is smart. She is brilliant. I am confused. I am perplexed. It's cheap. It's effortless. He is tall. He is towering. The movie was good. The movie was excellent. They are loud. They are boisterous. He is calm. He is serene. She is kind. She is compassionate. I am worried. I am anxious. I am tired. I am exhausted. She is angry. She is furious. He is happy. He is elated. They are late. They are delayed. It's cold. It's freezing. We are ready. We are prepared. It's hard. It's challenging. The cake is sweet. The cake is delectable. They are poor. They are impoverished. I am happy. I am jubilant. The road is long. The road is endless. She is shy. She is timid. He is lazy. He is indolent. The house is old. The house is ancient. The room is messy. The room is chaotic. This chair is comfortable. This chair is cozy. She is friendly. She is amiable. The soup is hot. The soup is boiling. They are playing. They are frolicking. It's very hot. It's scorching. He is funny. He is hilarious. The dog is big. The dog is enormous. She sings well. She sings beautifully. This book is interesting. This book is fascinating. He is quick. He is swift. I am sleepy. I am drowsy. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. I am relaxed. I am tranquil. It's raining. It's pouring. They are honest. They are truthful. He is strong. He is powerful. I am busy. I am occupied. The cat is cute. The cat is adorable. She is hardworking. She is diligent. This bag is heavy. This bag is weighty. He is reliable. He is dependable. The man is tall. The man is towering. They are tired. They are fatigued. The story is funny. The story is amusing. She is creative. She is innovative. He is rich. He is wealthy. She is thin. She is slender. The food is good. The food is delicious. I am scared. I am terrified. The boy is young. The boy is youthful. It's important. It's crucial. The sky is clear. The sky is bright. He is generous. He is charitable. The task is difficult. The task is arduous. She is happy. She is joyous. He is talented. He is gifted. It's necessary. It's essential. She is playful. She is mischievous. This car is fast. This car is speedy. The room is clean. The room is spotless. The street is narrow. The street is tight. He is polite. He is courteous. I am late. I am delayed. The dog is loyal. The dog is faithful. She is optimistic. She is hopeful. The exam was easy. The exam was simple. This tea is hot. This tea is steaming. She is curious. She is inquisitive. The weather is nice. The weather is pleasant. He is careful. He is courteous. The baby is crying. The baby is wailing. He is helpful. He is helpful. He is supportive. This movie is long. This movie is lengthy. The garden is beautiful. The garden is lovely. She is joyful. She is jubilant. It's easy. It's straightforward. He is curious. He is intrigued. The test is hard. The test is tough. The phone is cheap. The phone is inexpensive. She is talented. She is skilled. It's urgent. It's pressing. He is quiet. He is silent. The lake is large. The lake is vast. She is respectful. She is courteous. The book is old. The book is antique. This song is nice. This song is delightful. She is wise. She is sage. He is popular. He is famous. It's dark. It's pitch black.